Good morning, ma'am. So, we will solve this problem. So, the problem is a company claims that the average weight of a chocolate bar it produces is 200 grams. A quality control inspector takes a random sample of 30 chocolate bars and find the following. Sample mean is 198 grams. Standard deviation of 5 grams, sample size of 30, significance level at 0.05. So the question is there a significant evidence to suggest that the average weight of the chocolate bar is less than 200 grams? Okay, so first is step 1 is we need to state the hypothesis. So H naught is equals to 200 grams. The other one is less than 200 grams. Step 2, we need to select test statistic. So in this case, we will use z-test because the sample size is 30 and the standard deviation is given. So the z-test formula is sample mean minus over standard deviation and then square root of n, or the sample size. Okay, so in the step 3, we need to compute the test. So by substituting, we will have 198 over 200, 198 minus 200, and then we have 5 over square root of 30. So we will arrive in, compute this one, we will have a result of negative 2 over 5, 5.477. So next is negative 2 over this one, 5 divided by 5.477, we will arrive at 0.9129. So equals to negative 2.19. Step 4 is we need to determine the critical value. So since this scenario is a one-tailed test with a significant level of 0.05, the critical value of z is negative 1.645 from the z table. So in step 5, in step 5, we make a decision. decision. So since our z score, our z, yes, is negative 2.19, and the critical value of z is negative 1.645, and z is less than, if z is less than z critical value, we can reject the null hypothesis. Hypothesis. So in step 6, we can say that there is sufficient evidence at the 0.05 significance level to conclude that the average weight of the chocolate bar is less than 200 grams. So this will be our result. Kasi yung okay.